Fix Google Play Store insufficient storage space. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So the issue of Google Play Store insufficient storage space leads you to inability to download any of the new application on your device. So for that, you just need to check your storage space in your device. For that, you need to go to the settings of your device and then tap on about phone and go to your storage section over here. Now as you tap on storage, you'll be able to see I have 110 GB filled with out of 128 GB occupied. So I have 17.2 GB available, which is pretty decent. So let's just go back and tap on the Play Store and try to download the Google Play Store. So you can just go to the profile and then tap on the Play Store app, or you can just tap on manage app and game responses. Here you can find no other options over here. So just go back and try to see if there are any updates or if there are any updates related to Google Play Store. If yes, then you can just get it in your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.